And here, down here, you will have two connectors, two plugs. Search for the one with the blue and yellow wires and whites, and look after the 1175 wire. It's gotta be a blue one. Ah, there is it. This is the wire for the brake lights. Let's see if we have power on this wire. Oh, so if we have power here, it means this wire is interrupted somewhere in the middle, I guess. Here it's okay. Turn on the ignition. Oh, so we have power here. So if you also have problems with your tail lamps, I mean parking lights, brake lights or turn lights, here is a list. A list with the wiring numbers, which I think it will be so useful to you if you're gonna do it yourself. Good luck.
1175 blue wire, brake light. 1120 and 1125 blue wires, turn indicators. 3335 yellow wires, parking lights. 2283 white wire, reverse light. 2227 white wire, fog light. 0000 brown wires, ground.
This is our brake light wire. Holy wire. So now, even if you are a beginner and you're gonna do it yourself, just check those wires to have power on them. Put your lamp on the brown wire, that means the ground wire, and let's say for example you don't have parking lights. Check the yellow wires, all yellow wires starting with 333, let's say 3335, and see if you have power on that wire. And if you don't have power in the back on that wire, go forward to the engine compartment where are those two plugs located. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful to someone, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See ya!